In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people to Trello using an invite link. Trello is an incredibly powerful tool for organizing projects, collaborating with your team, and keeping everything on track. Whether you're working on a group assignment, managing a business, or planning a personal project, being able to invite others to your Trello workspace is an essential skill. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the process of creating and sharing an invite link, so you can easily bring your teammates on board. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to www.trello.com. Once you're on the Trello homepage, look for the Login button in the upper right corner and click on it. Next, you'll need to enter your email address in the Login field. Alternatively, you can select a single sign-on option, like logging in with your Google or Microsoft account. If you're using one of these options, simply follow the prompts to connect your account. Once that's done, enter your password. If Trello asks you to complete a two-step verification process, go ahead and follow the instructions. It's an important security measure to protect your account. When you're ready, click the Login button and you'll be taken to your Trello dashboard. Now that you're logged in, locate your dashboard from here. Find the workspace where you want to invite your teammates. Your workspace is essentially the central hub for all your Trello boards related to a specific project or team. Once you've found it, click on the workspace name to open its menu. In the Workspace menu, look for the option labeled Members and select it. This will take you to the Members section of your workspace where you can manage who has access. Next, click on the Invite Workspace Members button. This option allows you to send invites to others so they can join the workspace and collaborate with you. To make things simple, Trello gives you the option to generate a unique invite link. Look for the Create Link button and click on it. Trello will then create a custom link for you to share with your teammates. Once your link is generated, check to see if it's automatically copied to your clipboard. If it isn't, simply click the Copy button to manually copy the link. Now that you have the link, you're ready to share it. Open your preferred communication tool. This could be email, a messaging app, or even a project management chat, and paste the link there. Make sure you send it to the right people so they can join your Trello workspace. If you ever need to manage the access to your workspace, you can return to the Members area. From here, you have the option to disable or reset the invite link. This is especially useful if you want to prevent unauthorized access after sharing the link, or if you need to create a new one. Finally, keep an eye on the members list in your workspace. This will show you who has accepted the invite and joined the workspace. If your workspace has a limit on the number of members or seats, be sure to manage this carefully to avoid any issues with billing or access. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to invite people to Trello using an invite link. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.